Today we're talking about 9 quiet changes starting your retirement. Well, retirement changes a lot, more than your schedule. It's usually not a big thing to catch people off guard. It's the small ones, the stuff that nobody puts on a checklist. Now, I came across an article recently from someone who had just retired, listing the things that really surprised them. And once I started digging into the research behind it, the real list turned out to be a lot longer than they have covered. So today, I'm walking through my list of 9 things that quietly change the moment you retire. One of the very first questions anyone asks when they meet you is, what do you do? Number 1, your identity. For decades, one of the very first questions anybody ever asks you when they meet you, what do you do? And after 40 years of that question having the same easy answer, retirement takes it away overnight. You really need a new answer eventually. And for a lot of people, finding one takes a lot longer than they expected. Number 2, access to credit. Even though your score itself probably won't move, here's the nuance worth knowing. Retiring doesn't actually lower your credit score because income and employment aren't part of the scoring formula at all. What changes is your ability to get approved for new credit because lenders do look at your income and your debt to income ratio. Now, that ratio usually gets worse the moment a steady paycheck stops. Now, if a loan or a new credit card might be in your future, apply while you still have a steady income on paper and make that conversion a lot easier. Your work calendar, which quietly organized your whole day, including birthdays and personal reminders you actually never wrote down anywhere else. Your work email, which you need to update everywhere that you used it personally. And that laptop goes back to the company the same week, whether or not you own a personal computer to replace it or not. One retiree who inspired this video ended up spending almost $2,000 replacing his laptop and other essentials for his home office, simply because they never needed their own before. Number 4, your phone number. If you've been using a personal number for work all along, this one's painless. But if your mobile line belongs to the company, you may be starting over completely, and what a pain that is. I've done this twice now. A new number, a new SIM, every 2-factor authentication that was tied to your phone, that's all gone. And it is so hard to get back. Ask early whether you can take your number with you. Now, sometimes your employers will let you do that. One almost nobody puts on this list: your employee-sponsored health insurance. Now, if you retire before you're eligible for Medicare, your main option is COBRA, and COBRA is not cheap. Now, federal law lets you keep the same plan, but you pay the full premium yourself. Your old share, your employee's old share, plus 2% fee. Now, that commonly lands somewhere between $400 and $900 a month for one person, and $1,200 for family coverage. Plan for that number. Don't let it be an afterthought. And number 6, your Medicare enrollment window. Than most people think. Your initial enrollment period is 7 months. 3 months before you turn 65, your birthday month, and 3 months after. Miss it without the other qualifying coverage and Part B, that adds 10% penalty to your premium for every 12 months you delay it, for as long as you have it. That's not a one-time fee, guys. That's permanent. Worth calendaring it carefully. Number 7, the people you saw every single day without ever having to plan it. There's a lot of research on this one. Workplace Connection has found that having close friends at work strongly linked to how engaged people feel at their jobs. Meaning for a lot of us, work was just a major source of daily social contact, whether we noticed it or not. Now, when that disappears, It doesn't get replaced automatically. It takes a lot of work, guys, a lot of work. It only comes back if you rebuild it on purpose, which is exactly the daily social habit I talk consistently on this channel about. And number 8, this one surprised even me. Your car allowance if you had one. I did. It was nice. It's around $550. And boy, I sure missed that. Industry data shows that almost half the companies offer some type of vehicle allowance to management, often $500 to $700 a month, and sometimes more for executives. Now, if that was part of your package, it's gone the day you retire, and the real monthly gap worth planning around, not just a foot. And number 9, and I want to end here on purpose. It's not all losses. An empty inbox is real. Simple joy. The retiree who inspired this video said 2 weeks in, they kept both personal inboxes at 0 for the first time in years. Waking up without an alarm, controlling your own schedule, more time for the people and hobbies you never had enough hours for. Every trade-off above is real, but so are these wins. And for most people, the wins end up outweighing the losses. Guys, the honest goal of this video isn't to talk you out of retiring. It's to hand you a list nobody else really shares, so you can plan instead of getting surprised by it one piece at a time. And once the logistics are handled, the bigger work is what I talk about most of the time, rebuilding that social connection, the activity, and the purpose that job used to hand you automatically. One small habit a day. All right, my friends, if this sounds like something that you're going through, maybe a loved one's going through, consider sharing the video with them so that you all are on the same page. Now, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and our newsletter for more tips and information on other important topics. The link to the newsletter is down below in the description. And, guys, if you always wanted to start a bucket list, one that you'll actually use, I've got a great video here about that. We used it, our family used it, so that we could go on a family vacation on a cruise. So it does work. I know that for sure. All right, take care, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.